Before you're 40, the clock moves fast. Miss these milestones, you'll pay for the past. Not with fear, but facts so real. This is the blueprint the wealthy conceal. Why 40 is the turning point. At 20 you hustle, at 30 you grind, but 40 reveals what you built in your mind. It's not about age, it's about position. Are you still surviving or living your mission? Milestone 1. You own your financial foundation. No chaos, no panic. Your basics are tight. Your income beats spending. You're winning the fight. Emergency fund? Locked and strong. 3 to 6 months covered if things go wrong. Milestone 2. You're investing consistently. Not guessing, not gambling, not chasing the hype. You're building your wealth with the long-term type. Every month, no matter the storm, your money works while you stay warm. Milestone 3. You have multiple income streams. 1 stream is risky, 2 gives you air. 3 or more, now you're financially aware. Salary, business, or assets that pay. Money comes in, even when you don't stay. Milestone 4. You're debt-controlled or debt-free. Not all debt is bad, but most is a trap. Interest eats dreams. It's a silent snap. By 40, you've tamed it or cut it away, so your future income is yours to stay. Milestone 5. You can see retirement clearly. Not guessing, not hoping, not wishing it right. You've mapped out your future. It's clear in your sight. You know your number, your plan, your pace. Retirement isn't luck, it's a calculated race. What happens if you miss these? Ignore these steps, delay the game, and 50 will hit, but nothing will change. Still working hard with no escape plan, trapped in a cycle you don't understand. Motivation. It's not too late, but don't move slow. The earlier you act, the faster you grow. Before 40 is your golden gate. Miss it, and you negotiate with fate. If this opened your eyes, don't just scroll away. Your future is built by what you do today. Subscribe for the mindset, the money, the truth. Because wealth isn't luck, it's learned in your youth.
Subscribe for more tips. Like this glowing gold coin. Get yours by subscribing.